Hairballs are one of the worst parts of having an indoor cat, so I've started using these. Carmelie sent me these hairball support chews to try out, and my cat actually loves them and eats them. They have a crunchy outside and a creamy center and a chicken and krill flavor, so picky cats usually like them. I like that they support digestion and coat care, which means less loose fur ending up in their stomach. And we just add a few to the daily routine, and this tub has up to 500 chews, so it lasts a long time. If your cat grooms a lot or deals with hairballs, these are an easy daily treat to try.